All right, gang. What do we got going today, huh? There's a Casey Jones 21-165, slightly modified, maybe a little more than slightly. Test run number 1 on the blocks with tender, digital Lionel Reverse wired to the track, and a DC Can wired to the drive system with polished linkage. I'm messing with you. This is the kind of control, this is what they call dead man's control. So if I've died, the engine stops, but I can lock it down if I want. So down is energized, up is off, and the cycle is neutral, forward, neutral, reverse. Okay? And then rotating it like this gives you your speeds. Look at that chrome flash. Can you believe it? And, oh, we gotta back up. Boom, 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 we can back up. A little more, okay, a little more, okay, a little more, okay. Let's go forward. Always fun to go forward. Oh, baby. Hey, look at that chrome. Stuff is just flying, isn't it? Awesome. The other side looks almost the same. Yeah. Oh yeah, both sides. And I got the adapter printed. Didn't get done until 9:30. It's got some errors. I was a little aggressive with my design, but I've modified it. It's plastic, right? So I can grind it and cut it and do all kinds of stuff. I can find where I think I need to make changes, and then I can make a second design on the computer, and then I can print it again. Yeah, not bad. This is the soundboard. It's not wired in. It'll get power from these two pieces here. It runs off of BAC, and it will have a steam whistle and a bell for backing up. And I need a trigger for my smoke. This is the kind of smoke that we've been using. This is my design. This is 3D printed as well. It uses these really nice little motors, and it's synchronized to puff 4 times per revolution when we get the right revs. I may do 2 per revolution with this engine because it seems to want to run pretty fast. I don't know, we'll have to see. But I also have to use a trigger then to signal the soundboard to make the chuff sound. So you'll hear a chuff, 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 and the smoke at the same time in unison. Typically what I'll do is I'll wire it headlight in the front for forward, and I'll have red lights on the back of the tender for the red warning lights. But I'll also have a white backup light, so in reverse we'll have a white light in the back so you can see, the engineer can see where he's going. And that'll pretty much complete the technology to the engine. Once I get the sound and the smoke going, we're gonna be working on the artistic aspects of the train set, and we're working diligently on that as well. So we'll have more to report probably next week on how that's coming along. But I thought you'd want to see running, man. Running good. Looking good. Is good. Amazing. Didn't do that before, I can guarantee you. And not many of them do that. This is a very interesting design of the engine. But they simplified so much of it that it took away the fun part, so I'm putting more fun in. But I really like this detail. Gives us European, almost could be Greek. I looked at some Greek engines, and they have this style. This is an American version of what's referred to as the Casey Jones, which was really an Illinois Central fast freight, but at any rate, we'll make it. You'll see. Okay, later. I'm going to post this on YouTube and give you the link because it's so long, but I get windy sometimes when I got so much fun to talk about, okay? So, we have power to the track. Brass wheels take power up to these pickups. These pickups are wired into the control board. The control board is wired to the engine, little motor, and the power goes through to there. And when we do the forward reverse, that comes out of this controller. That gives us forward and reverse. And a couple days we'll have soundboard, speaker, and you'll be hearing things happening. And then a couple days after that, hopefully, we'll have this. I got to build a new adapter. That white board there is the adapter. I got to make one for this engine. It's a different design chassis. And then I got to add a few pieces of electronics, one back here and one inside there, and then we'll be all set. So probably a week and a half away from everything I want to do from a train point of view, and then we can turn Margaret loose. Oh God. Later.